uppercut, and Kamau is hurt. He's down. Oh, scintillating exchange between De La Hoya and Kamau. Kamau hurt again.
Tyson beginning to cringe as De La Hoya goes to the ring.
He's taking one shot at a time.
Oh, and the left spread far apart. De La Hoya lands his first combination and target practice. And De La Hoya goes to the body and drives Gotti into the ropes. And the towel comes in from Gotti's corner, and De La Hoya
gives into this, then it could be an interesting fight. But I don't think it's good. I hope you're there.
There he goes.
A great left hook. Could be thought he's about to get hurt.
A minute and 40. So you think De La Hoya can finish? There's the second knockdown by Richard Steele. De La Hoya with the punishment, and that's it.
For a quick KO.
This could play into De La Hoya.
Oscar is not dancing. He's not really moving.
Big shot by Morgan. De La Hoya. Two more. Big shots, and that is it.
Has he given Vegas a chance to recuperate? He can make
Well, kumusta kayo mga idol? Ang ating ngayon mapapanood, yung 10 knockout wins mula sa ating batikang boksingero. Walang iba kundi si Oscar De La Hoya. Pero bago ang lahat, kung bago ka pa lang sa aming munting channel, huwag mo na makalimutan mag-subscribe at pag-hit na rin sa notification bell sa all para lagi tayo updated sa bago nating i-upload tulad nito. Maraming salamat po.
1.
Ating una sa listahan ang laban niya kay Jorge Faiz noong July 29, 1994 na kung saan nakatikim ito ng kaliwat kanang atake mula sa ating bida. Ating panoorin kung paano nga ba hindi na nakatayo pa matapos ito tamaan isang solidong malamasong kuntok mula sa ating bida.
Paez fought his first 31 bout back on August 4th of 1988. It was a 15-round decision. Grove and 3 times in the final round to get the championship. Saw by his record posted. Overall, 53-6-4 with 35 knockouts for Paez. Some bad words exchanged at the press conference between these two fighters a couple of days ago. De La Hoya, 21 years of age, 5'10.5", which is very tall for a lightweight. And Paez at 5'5", giving away 5.5 inches. Of course, he won the gold medal in 1992 at the Olympics in Barcelona. The right hand. It may be over, and is. He'll never make it.
2.
Ang ating pangalawa sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay David Macao noong June 14, 1997 na kung saan nakatikim ang kanyang kalaban na malamasong suntok mula sa ating bida. Ating tungayan kung paano nga ba hindi na nakatayo pa matapos matamaan ang kanyang kabakbakan na malamasong kamao.
On the end of his glove, the way Oscar's going to be able to get into that is by stepping in, coming over the top bounce. Every time De La Hoya comes close to landing a shot, and it's getting intense. Just about all he could handle. De La Hoya stops Chavez. Good shots by De La Hoya. An uppercut, and Kamau is hurt. He's down. De La Hoya. The hook got in. The jab, he's crouching. Right hand just shy. Kamau opens up, he's a target. De La Hoya has got his measure. Good right by Kamau. Good hook by De La Hoya.
Now, had to watch out for Oscar's left hook because since Oscar's a converted southpaw.
De La Hoya's knocked down. Good hook by De La Hoya. Kamau walks into 3 more shots and keeps on coming. What action at the end of round 2. Scintillating exchange between De La Hoya and Kamau. Kamau hurt again. He could be out. He could be out. David Kamau on unsteady legs, and it is over.
3.
Ang ating pangatlo sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Daryl Tyson noong February 29, 1996 na kung saan nakatikim ito ng malulutong na body shot mula sa ating bida. Ating panoorin kung paano nga ba tinalo nitong ating bida, itong kontrabida.
First left hook of the fight. Oscar doesn't have to do that. He's got to do the opposite. Establish. Now, Oscar probably is trying to establish. Ringside microphone today in our discussion that he got a little impatient against Jesse James Leha. Proud of that.
Now trying to fight at closer quarters.
In the first round, Tyson.
What Tyson has to be experiencing, like those guys in Desert Storm. They heard those bombs and they said they'll stop in a minute.
And lead. The new strategy employed here in the second round. Tyson with a little counter right inside. De La Hoya lands two left hands in return. Oscar pounding to the body.
I can't recall De La Hoya being so effective to the body. This is something new.
Tyson hurt there by De La Hoya's left hook. And now De La Hoya bombs him into the rope. Oscar De La Hoya's punching power is another story for most of the men who face him. And now Tyson beginning to cringe as De La Hoya goes to the ribs.
And that was from the body blows.
4, 5, 6, 7.
What can Oscar De La Hoya do?
A second round.
4,
Ang ating pang-apat sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Tony Boy Campos noong May 3, 2003 na kung saan inatake ang pagmumukha ng kanyang kalaban. Ating panoorin kung paano nga ba hininto na lang ng referee ang bakbakan upang hindi na lumala ang pinsala ng kanyang kalaban.
About slow making mistakes, but he's corrected that. A good combination to the head. Oscar threw 3 punches that landed, and Campos has not been able to match up with the power. What a hard right. But all great champions have to have good right hand. If that finds it,
A mouthpiece by Campos. He's already tired because of the body shots and the uppercuts that Oscar's been in because he felt it. Nice left hook, double left hook from
Campos, and then Oscar fights back with a flashing combination to the chin. But actually back it up with a hook. Oh, good right hand from De La Hoya. Oscar landing hard shots to the head. Good right hand once again. Oscar, good movement. Now he goes to the body, uppercut, into the head, going out that he did going in.
Whoa, another time that the mouthpiece keeps flying out.
He lost the fight.
Mouthpiece comes out again, and a great combination of sensual. Oscar is basically growing from a lightweight and up, and he's just landing power punches.
Power punches. Joey Boy's backing up against the ropes now. Oscar really unloaded. Going to the body, looking to finish up. Now he's going to back out of there. Joey Boy's hurt. There's a hard right that snapped his head back. He's in there.
That's for a no-hitter, really. Yordibo Campos is just standing there and taking this type of... This is the fight that he needs to do.
Oh, good combination to the head. Oscar putting on a show for the fans now. Pretty good tonight.
Mounting up. 1, 2. And that's it. Romulo Quirarte sends the doctor up in the corner, and it's going to be a TKO in the 7th round victory for...
5,
Ang ating panglima sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Ricardo Mayorga noong May 6, 2006 na kung saan inatake ito ng kaliwat kanan ng ating bida. Anin ito ngayon kung paano nga ba 2 bisis pinatumba sa ibabaw ng luna ang kanyang kabakbakan.
For a quick KO.
Well, this could play into De La Hoya.
Oscar is not dancing. He's not really moving. He's right in
Big
front.
shot by De La Hoya. You here in Las Vegas. Big shot by De La Hoya. Mayorga hurt again. He almost went down. He's holding on for dear life.
Close to finishing him, but Mayorga did bounce back.
Big shots here by De La Hoya. Mayorga should be tying him up, but he instead goes for broken.
Wise to go back to that.
Good right hand by De La Hoya. Mayorga hurt again.
Many people forget about that great chin that De La Hoya has. He takes a
De La Hoya's attention with the right hand. That was a big one by De La Hoya.
This is a momentary trouble.
And De La Hoya working the body. Big shot. Mayorga is hurt. This could be it. He's down for a second time. Can Mayorga stave him off? He's not moving. Good shot here by De La Hoya. Big right hands here. Nady will take a close look. Mayorga is in the danger zone. Big shots here by De La Hoya. 1 or 2 more, and this would be it. Big shots, and that is it.
6,
Ating pang-anim sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Darrell Curry noong February 26, 2000 na kung saan pinawlanan ito ng malalakas na mga kabaw mula sa ating bida. Ating panoorin kung paano nga ba hindi na nakatayo pa ang kanyang kalaban matapos itong mapuruhan ng kaliwa ng ating bida.
For the ribcage himself, setting up a clean right hand upstairs. Bouncing away, keep it going like that. A lead left hook by De La Hoya. And two more vicious left hooks to the body.
Oscar now should look for a little bounce in his legs again.
Hard left hook.
He's getting paid. Make him throw some punches.
Hey, did these guys see the Barrera Morales fight last week? Left hook lands for De La Hoya. Foley wobbling. Oscar goes to the body. Sets up a chance. De La Hoya again lands the left hook. And Foley in trouble again. Stance and his approach in there. There's a solid left hook.
Pro like Coley. He's a pro.
There's a good right hand. I'm sick of him. I'm sick of his status, his money. I'm about it. He's going to be sicker about him if De La Hoya goes ahead and finishes what looks.
He's taking one shot at a time.
Oh, and the body shots put Coley down. Two vicious body shots, one with each hand. Referee Wayne Kelly looking in on Coley. He doesn't want it. He doesn't want any more. And
7.
Ating pangpito sa listahan ay ang laban ni Arturo Gatti noong May 24, 2001 na kung saan pinarunan ito ng kaliwat kanang atake mula sa ating bida. At itunghayan kung paano nga ba in-stop na lang ng referee ang bakbakan upang hindi na lumala ang pinsala ng kalaban.
right hand inside by Gatti.
Oscar gives up his jab, gives up his reach. He's got his legs spread far apart.
Now De La Hoya lands his first effective combination and crumbles Gatti with a trademark left hook. Body left hook, upstairs combinations. Can Gatti finish the round? Leans in, goes to the body. Double shot to the body. Two
Right hand.
hands upstairs.
Something new, a right hand.
Another big left hook upstairs. Maybe Gatti forgot about that. There's a big right hand by De La Hoya. And gets
With one hand.
No, it was painfully apparent against Mosley. Another big combination by De La Hoya. Huge left hook by Gatti. De La Hoya comes back with one of his own. Straight right hand lands flush.
Once again, for his bravery, you hear them chanting, Gatti, Gatti.
So already Floyd Mayweather has made a mark on De La Hoya, who lands a left and momentarily freezes Gatti, comes back with a left and a right. Body shot, right, left.
Relax with your jab on your opponent, though.
Tremendous combination by De La Hoya. Gatti hang. Target practice. Target practice as De La Hoya goes to the body and the head. Drives Gatti into the ropes. And the towel comes in from Gatti's corner. And De La Hoya has a fifth round.
8.
Ang ating pangwalo sa listahan ay ang laban ni Rafael Reales noong May 6, 1995 na kung saan nakatikim ito ng malamasong kamao mula sa ating bida. Ating tunghayan kung paano nga ba dalawang bihis pinatumba sa ibabaw ng luna ang kanyang kabakbakan.
Will be very effective, I think, against the wing.
More head movement and more flexibility bending from the waist. Roy Jones, he's off to a good start.
He's hurt the others already. I told you that was being knocked down.
You're coming in.
I mean, my thoughts exactly because if he doesn't, then he allows Oscar just to punch. If Oscar gives into this, then it could be an interesting fight, but I don't think he will. I hope he won't. There he is.
There he goes.
A great left hook.
Could be thought he's about to get hurt.
A minute and 40. So you think De La Hoya can finish. There's the second knockdown. No quick stoppage this time by Richard Steele. De La Hoya with the punishment. And that's it. That's it. Oscar De
9.
Ang ating pangsiyam sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Fernando Vargas noong September 14, 2002 na kung saan pinatikim ito ng kaliwat kanang malamasong kamao mula sa ating bida. Ating panoorin kung paano nga ba inawat na ng referee ang bakbakan upang hindi na lumala ang pinsala ng kanyang kalaban.
Fernando with the jab. Good combination. Is able for all to stay off the ropes, but he catches two big left hooks. Big left hook from De La Hoya, his best punch of the fight. And he lands it right behind. The momentum belongs entirely.
Exchange left hooks with De La Hoya.
Big right hand upstairs again for De La Hoya. From De La Hoya's nose, again the blood flowing from Vargas's cheek. Big left hook hurts Vargas. De La Hoya tries to follow up. Bell saves Vargas. 15 years later, it's still true.
Has he given Vargas a chance to recuperate?
I think if Oscar
Up the canvas of Oscar De La Hoya's career. If he could finish this guy. If he could make Fernando Vargas eat his words. If he could knock him out.
10.
Ang ating pang-sampu upang huli sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Julio Cesar Chavez noong June 7, 1996 na kung saan binayo ito ng kaliwat kanang atake mula sa ating bida. Ating tunghayan kung paano nga ba hininto na lang ng referee ang bakbakan upang hindi na lumala ang sugat sa mukha ng kalaban.
Chavez, and he's busted open early. Distracted him early in this fight. Body shot by Oscar. Hoya scored for the right on that line. Now he's looking a little bit more like the Chavez minutes, trying to shake some life into his hands. Hoya and Chavez touch gloves. Left glove up by his eye. He tries to make that one away. Chavez at a distance. De La Hoya scores. Chavez at this point now blood from the nose. But Julio sees it as De La Hoya really opens up. Him apart. The nose might be broken. Body shot by De La Hoya. He's just busted up Chavez. He's bleeding. Chavez in trouble here.
Time! Get out, corner! Huh? That's it? That's it?
Dito na po nagtatapos ang ating 10 knockout wins mula sa ating batikang boksingero. Walang iba kundi si Oscar De La Hoya. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood at walang sawang suporta. Ikaw, idol, anong masasabi mo sa performance nakita sa bidyong ito ng ating idol? Walang iba kundi si Oscar De La Hoya. Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sama kayo na rin lang, mag-ingat, God bless. Bye bye!